Hey guys, it's Alaceia and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I tried to film another makeup video again. Didn't turn out the way I want. I probably put a clip. So I refreshed my face and I'm gonna put on some primer. And I'm just do a simple. I want this to be a nice chill video. I'm watching Kenny JD. If you guys don't know her, I'll put a little bloop up there. I used the primer, Master Prime by Maybelline. And I'm looking into my viewfinder and also my mirrors right here. So if I'm looking up or looking like to the side, I'm looking in my view to see what I'm doing. Go in with this Matte and Poreless 335 Fit Me by Maybelline. Ever since the day that you went away. I hope it turns out well. I need some more on my chin area because like my chin has been breaking out a lot recently. And I'm taking the Fit Me concealer in 40 Caramel Conceal Under Eyes. And also, I'm gonna wait till this dries slightly because my sister said it works better if you let it dry slightly and has more coverage or something. So I'm gonna wait till that dry. I'm gonna take this LA Girl Pro Concealer in shade Medium Beige and I'm gonna put that as a highlight color. Yeah, it's a bit lighter. It's the same color as my other one, but it's like a tad bit lighter. And hold me in your arms, sending flowers to me. Flowers to them, flowers to them. Now that I put on some powder, I'm gonna contour a little bit on some bronzer. Oh no, I want to do my eye because that's what trips me up. Eyebrow brush. Where did it go? Okay. It's from e.l.f. It's dual-ended, so we're gonna get some of that. I got the white peach palette this weekend. I'm gonna take the e.l.f. pomade in medium brown. Do my brow. I don't do my brows in any kind of special way. Just make them kind of thicker, I guess. They're already pretty thick. I make my brows a tad bit straight-ish art. You get what I'm saying? Yeah, that's good. These eyebrows ain't twin. Now that we're done my brows, I'm going to clean them up with the same Fit Me concealer. Ever since the day that you went away. Guys watch Kenny. You know, she had all these Bad Movie and the Beats videos and I love them. They're so funny. So like the recent one she did was Assassin Ninja. Pretty interesting. The movie, she talked about like how weird it was that they got two different people in the same age group play different points of this character's life, and I'm like, they look nothing alike, and also they're like 5 years apart. I'm pretty sure they could put the guy on a bald cap or something.
Ijun, allow me to explain why that makes absolutely no sense. Again, as a former A+, right, I was watching this movie in complete and utter confusion because Ijun at the time of this movie was around 21, 22, some odd years old, aka a grown man, while Rain was maybe like a few years older, maybe like 27 or so. Why do you have two grown men that are that close in age playing like the older and the younger version of themselves? Because they're both fully grown men, I was so confused.
They're so close in age, it doesn't really make sense. You don't change drastically in 5 years. Granted, some people don't take care of themselves, but like, you don't change that much in 5 years. I'm gonna speed through this so you guys can just see the product. Now that brows are done, we're gonna go to the eyelids. I'm gonna set my eyes. I might use my James Charles palette since it has quite a lot of color. Cause I don't have many palettes. I have palettes with a lot of colors in them, but I want to use the James Charles palette because I haven't had a chance to really play with it yet besides the other video that you guys saw. Bronze and like contour a tad bit. I'm gonna get my It's My Ray Ray palette. It's one of my favorite palettes because you can see it because I hit pan on like this contour shade right here. I love this shade. It looks so nice. I love it. Banana-ish shade in the James Charles palette. And I don't want to do a natural-ish look. Kind of give it some yellow-ish fresh vibes. You know what? To go with this sweatshirt, I might as well just do a yellow look. Soft, yellow, kind of natural-ish look. I'm using this Real Techniques brush. It's the base shadow brush. This is kind of popping, kind of cute. Okay.
Ever since the day that you went away, you went away, you went away. Sending, sending, you went away, you went away, you went away. Ever since the day that
Pretty cute. I'm going back over with contour. I'm gonna add some lashes to set off the look, and maybe some moles or some freckles. My lashes, they're just regular like lashes, not a special brand or anything. Get the dual lash glue and clear. I think lashes really set off this look. Why do they bend like that? So weird. Pretty cute. So guys, this is the finished makeup look. I put on some lip liner, some ColourPop glossy, ultra glossy lip in Champagne Miami, and it's really pretty. And I just put on a brown lip liner. I put on some blush. I blushed my nose, put on an inner corner highlight, some lashes, and that's all. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and you want to see more, comment down below. Or if you want me to give a detailed makeup look, I'm not that good at makeup, but if you guys actually like this look, I actually do a tutorial on it. If you want me to, suggest me other things to do. I really like guys' opinion. If you what video suggestions you want me to do, just videos ideas that you guys will want to see. Of course, I put my own input in my videos because it's my channel, and who you making videos for if you don't want to do those? And we're almost to 200 subscribers, and that's one more step closer to 1,000. So guys, I really appreciate you guys, and I hope you're healthy, living well, and I hope all you guys stay healthy and continue to eat and drink well. Just be happy and humble, and I'll see you guys in another video. God bless. Bye, friends.